Two package mail day. Here we go. Not sure what this one is. Do this one first. This is a jersey card from the new Totally Certified. I don't think these are numbered. This is the regular jersey, red. And this is from the new Tamper Seal. This one's also from a new product. I cannot get it out. There we go. Prism. Just the base card. If I'm correct, I think they have refractors of this card that I might have to look into getting. Also looking for the finalist one, so if anyone's got those, let me know. That's it.